welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. Are you a busy mom, a busy dad, and you don't have time to cook? You don't want to spend the whole day in the kitchen cooking? This recipe is for you. It takes 25 minutes to prepare this. I'm going to show you how to make chicken and prawns egg sauce with boiled yam. If you're interested in learning how to make it, then keep watching. The first ingredients is yam. I have the white yam. I'm going to cut the yam. After cutting the yam, I'm also going to peel off the skin. You can also use the yellow yam, depending on which one you buy. You can get this to buy in any local food shop around you. It's very easy to get yam to buy, most especially if you're in Africa. Even in UK, it's easy to get yam to buy. It's just that the price might be different. So with a sharp knife, I'm peeling off the skin. After peeling off the skin, I'm going to cut the yam to my desired shape. You can cut the yam to your desired shape, but remember, the size of the yam determines how many minutes the yam is going to cook. While I'm peeling the yam, I'm going to ask you for a favor. If you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed to Continental Food and Cake TV, please hit that button and subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video like this, you're not going to miss out. And I have a lot of recipe coming up. I upload 2 videos every week. Thank you as you do so. After peeling the yam, you're going to get something like this, which is called the skin of the yam. You can throw that in the bin, but if you have a goat, just give it to your goat. Next, I'm going to wash the yam, and I'm going to wash it twice. But let me give you one tip. When you're washing the yam, do not allow the water of the yam to touch your skin. Means your arm. If it touches your arm, it's going to itch you. So next, I have my pot in a high heat and I have a boiling water. To that, I'm going to transfer the yam into the pot. After that, I'm going to add salt. Then cover the yam to boil until soft. It takes between 10 to 15 minutes. Next ingredients is bell pepper. I have yellow chopped, red, green, 1 large onion chop as well, scotch bonnet chop. You can leave it out if you don't want it spicy. Then I have the chicken thigh that I wash and cut into small sizes. The prawns wash and clean as well. I have 5 fresh egg. Then I have fresh tomato that I cut into small sizes, 4 pieces. For seasoning, I'm going to use 4 seasoning peppercorn, non-cube, chicken flavor. After 15 minutes, you want to check on your yam if it's soft enough. Depending on how soft you want your yam, you can use a skewer, you can use a fork to check if it's soft. Some people like their yam so soft, some people like it medium soft or medium hard. If the yam is soft to your likeness, the next step is to take it off the heat and remove the yam from the hot water. Next step is to make the sauce. I have my pan in a medium high. To that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. After adding the coconut oil, I'm going to allow it to melt and heat up for 2 minutes. Once the oil is hot, the next step is to add the chicken thigh and fry until light brown. It takes between 8 to 10 minutes in a medium high. After adding the chicken thigh, you want to add some seasoning. I'm starting with salt, add non-cube quarter, then add 4 seasoning peppercorn. I'm going to crush into the chicken thigh. After that, I'm going to mix it together until it's well combined. If you've not been using coconut oil to fry your chicken or make any sauce at home, just like this sauce that I'm showing you today, oh my god, it tastes amazing. So fry from this to this. You want to fry until light brown. You don't want to over fry it, you don't want it too dry. So next, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. In the same oil, I'm going to add the chopped onion, and that oil is packed with flavor. The coconut oil, the chicken, all the seasoning, oh my god, it's rich in flavor already. So I'm going to fry the onion for 2 minutes. After that, I'm adding all the bell peppers. Add the red, green, yellow, add the Scotch bonnet. The Scotch bonnet is optional. If you don't like your food spicy, please leave it out. You can also enjoy the sauce without the Scotch bonnet. Then add the fresh tomato and mix together until it's well combined, and also fry for 2 to 3 minutes before adding other ingredients. At this point, I'm adding non-cube half. After that, I added 4 seasoning peppercorn, then add some salt and also mix together until it's well combined. This egg sauce, I guarantee you, is going to be one of your favorite egg sauce. It tastes so delicious. Now I'm going to add the eggs. And before adding the egg, I'm going to beat and mix the egg until it's well combined. After adding the egg, I'm going to allow the egg to fry with the pepper for 2 minutes before mixing. Please remember this, you don't want to just add your egg and mix it together. You don't want to lose that beautiful shape of the fried egg. After 2 minutes, look at that. Just tell me you don't want to eat this already. So I'm mixing the egg, but you don't want to mix with force. You want to take your time and mix and mix. Then it is time to add the prawns. If you notice, I'm adding the prawns almost at the end of the cooking. You don't want to over fry your prawns. Prawns takes between 1 to 6 minutes to fry. So that's why you want to add it almost at the end of your frying. Now I'm going to also add the fried chicken. When I'm making food like this or preparing things like this, when it gets to this point, I'm so excited because it's time to eat, time to consume. And my kitchen is blowing up. When I say my kitchen is blowing up, just know that this recipe is #1, as in is that recipe for you. What I love about this sauce is that not only can you eat it with yam, you can also eat this with boiled rice, fried yam, boiled yam, plain bread, toast bread. This sauce is so versatile and it's rich and so delicious. Thank you so much if you've watched this video to this time. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, new, old, those who started with me, coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you all. This is the finished result, and this is how I paired with my boiled yam. It tastes so delicious. Please try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. You can also let me know on YouTube. Also check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients. Also, you're going to find another video on how to make fried egg. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that button and subscribe. Also share this video with your friends and family. Share the recipe. You don't want to keep this recipe to yourself. Leave your comment, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in another beautiful one. Bye bye.